Hello YouTube viewers, thank you so much for tuning in, and I recently shared with you that I am going to be making changes in the girls room of the gigantic dollhouse. This is the room, and I am going to start removing stuff that's in here. Everything is coming out, everything. Now, as I said in one of my previous videos, I will be leaving the walls the way they are, but everything must come out. This little house here. Not sure if you saw these before, but you get a chance to see them again now that I am removing these things. Look at how cute. Look at the inside of this house. Isn't that cute? I've seen smaller houses than these. Look at that. So yes, everything must come out. There's some stuff here too. It's looking empty. I don't like this bed in there. But it is going to be a bedroom. I just wanted to remove all the furniture because I'm going to start all over in here. Give it a totally different look. Let's see what else. Starting to look pretty empty. This is coming out. Look at the beautiful dresser. Just in case that you didn't see it before, you might be new to my channel because my subscribership has increased since I made this room here. So I am sure that a lot of you didn't see these pieces. So now you get to see them if you're here. And I really thank you for subscribing, for liking, for comment, just for being here and viewing my videos. So I hope that you will enjoy what I have to bring. So let's remove this. This entire wall is coming down. Look at that. Now this lights up. This is the letter E sideways. And I'm not sure the batteries still work, but let me see. Let me try. See, it has that switch. Oh yeah, it does still work. I hadn't turned it on in a while, so I didn't remember if it was still working. So yeah, this makes a great divider for any of these rooms. I could have even placed this right in the middle here, like that. You know what I mean? But that's not the idea. That's not what I'm going to do here. I'm just saying that it can be used as a divider in a room, but it is the letter E. And you can also use it like that. I got this from the Goodwill store for $2.99 a while back. So this is coming out. It probably won't be in this room anymore, that piece, the letter E. But all this must go. Okay, so I pretty much emptied the room. Now what you see there are Christmas decorations. Those are going to come down too because I still have them in the outside of the house. So yes, I will be back with this room. So stay tuned for what's going to happen in here. I hope that you have enjoyed. And thank you so much for watching.